So how in the world have I been able to generate these $1,000 payments like clockwork? You can see this one right here that came in yesterday, and you can see another one right here that I was able to generate a $2,000 payment. Now keep in mind, this is all without leaving the house and without having to do any hard work. This just took less than 15 minutes, and in this exact video, I'm gonna reveal the 5 simple steps anyone can take to start making up to $1,000 a day with affiliate marketing. So we're even gonna be using some AI, so within a click of a button, most of this can be done completely for you. Now, if you follow exactly what I share throughout this entire video, by the end of the video, you'll have this set up and you can start to pump out this process over and over again to start to make some cold hard cash flowing into your bank account. Now this method will work incredibly well, but before I dive into the very first step, a lot of people have been asking me what is my personal favorite method to make money online. I'm gonna include a link directly below to a free private video revealing exactly how you can also implement my favorite way to make money online. But all that being said, let's go ahead and dive in to the very first step. So the very first step is we need to find a high-paying product to promote. In this example, I'm gonna find it on clickbank.com, but you can really use a lot of different affiliate marketplaces. What you wanna do if you wanna follow me, go to clickbank.com and go ahead and click start here if you don't already have an account. And what you'll be able to do is just go through, answer these very simple questions. In a matter of minutes, you'll be able to actually create a free account. Now, once you log into your account, what you want to do is you want to click the tab under Marketplace, and this will list all these different types of niches and topics you can find products around. Now, my recommendation when you're just getting started is to choose products in either the health and fitness, the make money online, or the self-help or dating niche. These niches are always going to be popular, and this is going to allow you to make money for a long time. So in the sake of this video, I'm going to go to the health and fitness category, and once you click on that category, it's going to list all these different products. Now what we want to do is we want to understand that if we want to make $1,000 a day with affiliate marketing, one of the easiest ways to do it is to promote a product that will pay you $1,000, right? Because then you only need one referral. So we want to find the highest paying product with also the highest gravity score. Now, gravity score, you can see right here, is just a score that tells us how many other people are successfully making sales. So that tells us it's a good selling product to promote. So what I can do is I can sort results by average dollar per conversion, high to low. So this is going to list, what is the most amount of money we can make per selling this product. Okay, so this one right here is $343 on average, which is great because to hit $1,000, you'd only need, 1 or 2 of those a day to start to make that amount of money. But you can see right here, the gravity score is 0, okay, which means in the last week or so, no one's made any sales, so I would avoid that, okay? Now this one right here could be very, very good, okay? So this one has an average dollar conversion of $240, okay? So we would only need about 3 or 4 of these a day to hit some pretty good income, but you can also see that the gravity score is 49, okay, which is good. I recommend anything above a 20. So this product could definitely be a viable option. You can see this one right here is not that great, okay? And you can see this one right here, $204 and a 27 gravity score. So this one would qualify. The reason I'm not gonna choose this one right here is typically in the enhancement and that type of stuff, promoting this could be a little bit difficult. Some sites are not going to like that type of topic. So I'm going to go for this one right here. Now, once you find a good product which qualifies, again, it has a high average dollar per conversion and also a good gravity score on ClickBank specifically, we look for at least a 20. Then what we want to do is click promote. And we want to click generate hop link, and this right here, my friend, is our affiliate link. So this is the link that we want to get people to go to, because when they actually go to this link, and I'll share with you what it looks like, they will actually get the option to purchase. Okay, so every sales page, every affiliate link is going to look slightly different. This one right here is a video, okay, and after a certain period of time, a buy button will appear. and whenever someone buys through our affiliate link, we will get a commission. We will earn money, okay? So now what I wanna do, I wanna share with you how to get as many people flooding to your affiliate link using the power of AI. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna head over to a site called ChatGPT. Now, if you don't know what ChatGPT is, basically it's a artificial intelligence tool that allows you to enter certain prompts and spit out content, spit out ideas, and really anything you want under the sun in a matter of seconds. So once you create a free account with ChatGPT, the prompt we want to do is we want to have it write a piece of content for us, because content marketing is one of the best ways you can promote affiliate links. So one thing I can do is I can say, write a 300-word blog article all about, and then whatever product you're promoting. So if we go back to ClickBank, okay, I can actually open up this affiliate page, and this is gonna tell us a lot more about what this product is, okay? So if I go back to ClickBank, you can actually go to the sales page, and I can look over this and I can kind of see, what this product is actually about, okay? So if I look here, it looks like it has to do with stuffing your face and losing weight. So I guess how you can still lose weight while eating certain foods. Okay, so what we can do is go back to ChatGPT, and again, we just want it to write a blog article for us around the topic of our product. Okay, but we want it to give value. So I can say, write a 300-word blog article all about losing weight while still eating foods you love. Give tips and value. Okay, something like that, and then just click that green arrow, and then it will literally, in a matter of seconds, pump out a high quality, valuable blog article all about the product that we're promoting, okay? But again, we wanna make sure the article is not pitching and selling, it's actually giving value, because once people read this article, they feel like you've given them value, they'll be interested to learn more, which is where we'll lead them to our affiliate link, as I'll share just a little bit in this video, okay? So now that we have the article, we need to actually post this article online so people can start to find it. So the place that I recommend you post this article is called medium.com. Now, medium.com is a free site that you can actually join, and it allows you to post articles and blogs that people can actually discover. So all you have to do is go to medium.com, click get started at the top, and if you already have an account, obviously sign in, or you can sign up with Google, Facebook, or an email, okay? So go ahead, create your free. Okay, so once you log into your Medium account, now what you wanna do is you wanna go to the top and click write. This is where we're gonna be able to actually enter the article that ChatGPT created for us. So for the title, what we can do is go back to ChatGPT and just literally copy this title here, okay? Then go back to Medium, put that title in right there, okay? And then what we can do for the actual body of the post, we can go back to ChatGPT, and you guessed it, we can literally just copy this right here. Okay, I mean, this is so simple, and anyone can do this. Okay, so go ahead, paste that in. Now it may slightly have a different format. Okay, so we want to kind of edit this slightly if when we paste it, it does not look that great, like the numbers. So we just want to go through, and I'm going to do this real quick. I'm going to format it, and then I'm going to come right back. Okay, so now it's formatted. You can see it's looking very attractive as an article. Now, the next thing we want to do is at the very end, we want to add a call to action. Okay, this is just a piece of text that will tell people to do a certain action. Now, in this case, we want them to go to our affiliate link. That's really the whole purpose of this article. We want to give value, but ultimately lead people to go to our affiliate link so they can actually buy the product we're promoting. So now what we can do is say something like, if you loved learning how to, whatever the article is about, how to lose weight while still eating your favorite foods, and you want to learn the easiest way to go further, click here now, okay? So something like that. It's basically like, if you like this, then you're really gonna love this secret thing, right? And the secret thing is the product. So now we can highlight the click here now, and then I can go to this little paper clip, and now what we wanna do is we wanna go back to ClickBank, generate our hop link again if we've closed that tab, but just copy our affiliate link. And then we can literally just paste it in right there. Okay, and now it is clickable. Now, one other quick thing I recommend you do to make this article even better is to add an image or two to it. That's going to really make it stand out. So one place you can find royalty-free images to add is pexels.com. So if you go over to Pexels, I can type something in like, weight loss, anything related to the article, and then I can actually find all of these images that I can use royalty-free without any worry about copyright. Okay, so let's say this one, I can download that right there. Okay, and now this is saving to my computer, or if you're on a phone, you can actually screenshot it like that. And then what we can do is go back here and I can find a place to put the image. So let's say after the first question, I want to put it here. I can just click here. I can choose add an image, and then I just want to choose where I save that image and upload it to the article. Okay, so there we go. It automatically adds it, and this looks really good. Now you can actually, if you want to center it like that, or change the size, but this is looking great. Okay, so it's giving value. Now you can even make this better. You can actually highlight this first tip here, and I can bold. Okay, and I can go through and do that for all of them, but just make it look attractive. Add a photo or two, add your affiliate link, which is the most important part, and then click publish. Publish now. And this is actually publishing this article on Medium. So you can see how good this looks. Okay, this is the title right here. You can see the image, they go down, and then it says, if you love learning this, click here to learn more. They click there, and then it goes to our affiliate link. Now, this is incredibly powerful and simple, and people on medium.com could start discovering this article as it shows up in the search results. But if we want to promote this article even more to get even more people seeing it, I want to share with you just a few quick methods before I go to get even more people seeing this article and buying the product so we can start to make up to $1,000 a day. So one place you can go is Facebook. Okay, you probably have a Facebook profile. Then you just want to go to the search bar on the left and you want to type in a word or two that has to do with the niche your product is in. So I can type in weight loss in this example. Go ahead and search that. And then we want to search results by groups. Okay? And we want to open up a group that has at least 1,000 members. Okay? The more members, the better. We want to open this up and we want to actually join this group. Okay, so you can go ahead and click join group there. And then what we want to do is we want to write something telling people about our article. Okay, so you don't just want to post the link. A lot of these groups, they don't allow you to post links and stuff, but you can say something like, hey all, I just found an article that teaches an amazing way to lose weight while eating whatever you want. If you want me to share this with you, comment below. Okay, something like that. So we want to make it look very conversational, very normal. And we don't really want it to look like we wrote the article. So then you just want to post this, and what's going to happen is people that are interested are going to say, yeah, I'm interested, send it to me. And then you can just private message them the link to your article, getting even more people to go to it. Another way you can promote this article is if you go to Instagram, you can actually put the article in the link of your bio, okay? And then what you can actually do is you can go to the search bar on Instagram, and again, we can do hashtag this time for Instagram, and then weight loss, right? Or a few words that have to do with your niche. We click that, and then what's gonna happen is Instagram's gonna show us all these popular photos that people have tagged with that hashtag. So if I open this one up, and I go to others, it's going to share with us all these people that have liked this post. Now, what this means is all these people are interested in losing weight. So if I follow these people, let's say I follow 20 to 30 people a day, they're going to get notified, and then they're going to be like, who's this person that followed me, right? And then they're going to go to your profile, and if you have, some lines telling people to click the link, a portion are, and then they're going to see your article. They're going to read this article because they're interested in losing weight, and then click the link and then decide to buy. Okay. Now, one other quick method is you can actually go to Google and you can search the name of the topic of the product. So in this example, weight loss followed by forum. Okay, so you can actually find forums, which are just communities around a certain topic, you know, and then once you go to this forum, you can actually sign up, typically for free, to join the forum, and then you can just make a post, okay, and you can title the post the name of the article. So I can make this post, losing weight without giving up your favorite foods, and then in the actual post, okay, you can see this person right here, when you click that, they just included the link to their blog, okay? So you could literally just make that post and then in your actual post in the forum, just include the link to your blog article and start to get traffic and visitors. Well, there we have it, my friend. These tips will help you absolutely crush it when it comes to making up to $1,000 a day online with affiliate marketing. Be sure to click the link directly below though to see my #1 favorite way to actually make money online. I think you're gonna love what you discover on that video. Also, like the video and subscribe with the bell icon so you never miss out on my latest training. I have a lot more just like this. And last but not least, if you want to go further and discover much more training, be sure to click the playlist on the screen right here to check out more of my videos. Thanks so much for watching, my friend, and I will see you on my next training.